Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for entrepreneurs and business owners: how to trademark a business name. I'm Jake from Business Name Generator, and protecting your brand is vital in today's competitive landscape. So let's get started. A quick refresher: a trademark is essentially a legal recognition that distinguishes your brand, product, or service from others in the market. It could be a name, logo, slogan, or even a specific color scheme. But today, we'll focus on trademarking your business name. So why should you trademark your business name? Well, a trademark protects your brand identity, gives you exclusive rights, adds credibility to your business, and it'll help you in legal battles against infringement. Before filing your trademarks application, you'll want to ensure that your business name is truly unique. In the US, you can do this by using the USPTO's Trademark Electronic Search System, or TESS, by conducting your own Google search, or by consulting state, national, or international business records. This will help you avoid conflicts and potential legal issues down the line. And if you're in the US, this is where you'll need to decide if you want to apply for a national trademark or only in your state. And remember, things will get much more complex if you're going for an international trademark, so be prepared. Not all applications require an attorney, but it's better to be safe than sorry, especially if you're a foreign business vying for a US trademark. A good attorney will help you choose the correct trademark type, guide you through the application process, and make sure all your paperwork is filled out correctly. And we've got some resources in the description to help you find a licensed trademark attorney. To prepare your application, you'll of course need your company details, your name, address, and other contact information. You'll obviously need the name you want to trademark. You'll need what they call a specimen, which shows your name as used in commerce. For example, if you're going for a logo trademark, you'd put the logo on some products as an example. And last, you'll need to identify the class of goods and services that your trademark is going to cover. You can file your application online directly through the USPTO's website. The filing fee ranges anywhere from $250 to $350 based on the class of your goods and services. Once you submit, you'll get a confirmation number and a serial number so you can track your application. An examining attorney will review your application, and you'll get an answer within 5 to 7 business days if everything's correct. If approved, your trademark will be published in the USPTO's official gazette, and anyone who opposes your trademark has 30 days to file an opposition. Be prepared with a quick response in case anyone opposes. If there are no issues, your trademark's registered. Congratulations. Trademarking your business can seem like a long process, but it's crucial for protecting your brand. Just follow these steps and you'll navigate it like a pro. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody who you think will benefit. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop a comment below. Thanks.